everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ciara. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, it is a favorite barbecue dish, or basically your favorite side. So when I go to a barbecue, I think of hamburgers, I think of hot dogs, I think of potato salad, macaroni salad, I think of literally everything that you can think of. Fruit, chips, some dips, sodas, juices, you name it. This video is hosted by Miss Wanda. You guys can check out that channel, and you guys can check out her other channel, Grandma Does It All. Both of those links will be in my description box down below. I am the co-host, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys what I would bring to a barbecue, as I just recently found this, and it's really inexpensive, especially in the summertime. Who would not want to make this? So I was in Kroger the other day and I picked up this Betty Crocker Suddenly Pasta Salad. A lot of people love macaroni salad, they love potato salad, they love salad period when it comes to a good hamburger or hot dog. So this one is ranch and bacon, and it's basically pasta, a vegetable blend, and seasoning. So you can make it your own on the side, the way that they're giving you stir-in ideas. I'm not even gonna add anything in. I love ranch and bacon, and I'm ready to make this. So let's go ahead. The first thing we're gonna do is fill a 3-quart saucepan 2/3 full of water. Heat it to a boil. We'll add the pasta, and then we'll boil it uncovered for about 12 minutes, stirring it occasionally. While the pasta is cooking, I'm gonna stir together the seasoning and mayonnaise in a medium bowl and set it aside. Eventually, I'm gonna drain the pasta, rinse with cold water, drain well, and then I'm gonna stir the pasta into the seasoning mixture. Serve immediately, refrigerate. If you would like to, you can stir in milk 1 teaspoon at a time to moisten refrigerated salad. Okay, so the timer went off. The noodles are done and ready. I've been stirring. It has peas, carrots, and pieces of bacon in it. I did go ahead and mix up the mayonnaise and the seasoning. I'll show you guys that. Let me drain this. All right, so rinse with cold water. All right, so we're gonna rinse it with cold water. Okay, so now that it's been rinsed off, you're to put it in the mixture. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put it in this little small container here to mix it up. I hope that you all have enjoyed seeing what I would bring to a barbecue as my favorite side. One of my favorite things to eat at a barbecue, along with a good old hot dog, is a good pasta salad, a good macaroni salad, or a good potato salad. So if you guys have enjoyed, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, consider hitting that subscribe button down below and checking out the playlist linked in my description box down below as well. Enjoy.